The first thing most people do after buying a new computer is install a third-party media player, and VLC Media Player is a common choice for anyone who knows about computers. However, sometimes a VLC error can happen within VLC Media Player, preventing it from playing videos, and it can be quite frustrating if you don't know how to fix VLC when it won't open your MP4 files. Today, we're going to cover how to fix all the problems of VLC players and what to do in case of a VLC error. But before we go any further, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your thoughts about VLC media player errors in the comments section down below. Okay, let's dive into the causes of VLC player not working. A VLC error can happen due to a number of different reasons, and the most obvious symptom of VLC not playing videos is a black screen instead of your video footage. Firstly, the most common reason for a VLC error is a problem with the VLC media player itself or its coding scheme. Sometimes, if the video settings are not configured correctly, they can lead to VLC not working. Secondly, another reason for a VLC problem is missing codecs in the video file. Often when you use a video editor or similar software to edit a video, it can also damage the file and result in VLC being unable to play the video. And thirdly, if your video file is not properly downloaded or transferred, it can also cause a VLC error. Fortunately, there are a number of different ways to fix VLC media player errors and enjoy the videos that weren't previously playing. The first method to fix a VLC error is by turning on the automatic repair feature of the media player. This is actually a built-in feature that you can use to fix VLC problems when it comes to playing back a video. By enabling the automatic repair feature, VLC media player will automatically fix all minor issues within your video files. Firstly, go to the Tools menu in VLC Media Player and click the Preferences button. A new window will now open. Click the Input and Codecs option in the Preferences menu. After that, click on the drop-down menu against Damaged or Incomplete AVI file and select Always Fix. Now, all your VLC problems will be automatically fixed by the player. Sometimes when your VLC player is not opening a video file, it might mean that there's issues with the file's audio or video components. To resolve this VLC error, go to the Tools tab and click on Preferences. Once the Preferences window opens, click the Video tab to enable it in case it isn't already enabled, and click the Save button at the bottom right-hand side of the window. Then repeat the same process for the Audio tab as well. In case of a syncing issue, go to Tools, Effects and Filters, click into the Synchronization tab and adjust the audio track synchronization value. This is an effective VLC media player audio problem fix that will resolve all the audio related issues in the VLC player. Similarly, all the major VLC media player problems will also be fixed by this method, and you'll be able to smoothly open and play video files in the VLC media player. There are several different output drivers in the Windows operating system, such as OpenGL and DirectX. These drivers manage several functionalities when you open video files in media players, just like VLC Media Player. For example, the DirectX driver enables playing sound, video, and media, whereas OpenGL deals with graphical API. If VLC is not playing videos, try reconfiguring the video output mode to resolve this VLC error. First of all, launch the VLC Media Player and go to the Tools tab. Then, from the drop-down menu, click the Preferences button. It will take you to a new window. There, find the Video tab and click on it. You'll find a drop-down menu against the Output field. Click on it and choose a different output mode than already selected. After that, retry playing the same video file that was not playing in VLC Media Player before. If the VLC error persists, change the output mode once again. Keep trying different output modes, and one of them will eventually resolve the VLC not playing videos problem. If using those previously discussed methods doesn't fix the VLC problem, then there's a serious issue with your video file. In this case, you'll need dedicated video repair software such as Wondershare Repairit to fix the problem in your video file. An advantage of Wondershare Repairit is that it supports all kinds of video formats including MP4, MKV, AVI, MPEG and FLV. Also, regardless of why a VLC media player is not opening your video file, Repairit will fix the error no matter if it's an audio or video problem, dropped frames, corrupted header, grainy video or even damaged files. Here is how you can fix the VLC not playing video error with Repairit software. First of all, download Repairit from Wondershare's website. After the setup file is downloaded, run it to install the software on your computer. After launching the software, go to the video repair module. It will show you an add button. Click on the add button to select the video file you want to repair. Once you click add, a window will pop up on your screen. Select the video files giving the VLC error and click open at the bottom right hand side of the screen. Now the video will appear on the software screen. Click the repair button at the bottom right. After Repairit software has completed the repairing process, you can preview it to see if the VLC error is fixed. If there still seems to be some issues with the video, click the advanced repair button to repair it once more. The last step in this method is to choose the location where you want to save the video file and click the save button. In today's video, we covered ways to fix VLC player issues, including using the automatic repair feature, adjusting settings, or changing the video output. The quickest solution by far is to use Wondershare Repairit software. Just download, upload your video, and click repair. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your feedback in the comments down below.